Hello friends, welcome to Anushka Diary. Today we will see an essay on the topic effect on our environment after COVID-19 spreads. The surroundings of an animal, a human or a plant from its environment. Environment is essential for all living beings on the earth, especially for humans. But at the same time, we humans have played the maximum role in polluting our environment. Any kind of undesirable change in the composition of environment is termed as environmental pollution. Nowadays, the most serious topic around the world is COVID-19, and most countries have declared lockdown to decrease the spread of the virus. So automatically all things that made pollution like factories, cars, etc. are stopped due to the lockdown. On one day, Delhi was said to be a gas chamber, whereas now the air in Delhi is so clean that Delhiites can see stars clearly at night. In Mumbai and other urban areas too, the pollution has decreased considerably. Some day on roads of Delhi, Bombay, Bengaluru, etc., there was heavy traffic. But now there are animals like reindeers walking on roads of cities as there is no one to drive on the roads. We all know about global warming that rises the temperature of Earth and is affecting Earth's ozone layer. Ozone layer is a layer of earth that protects earth from harmful rays of the sun, which is very useful for humans. But now, as there is no gas coming out for pollution and global warming, earth's ozone layer is healing itself. And global warming was also rising the temperature of the earth by 0.2 degrees Celsius per year. All public places and roads were unhygienic and dirty in India, and the people were not taking steps to clean it. And even if they clean it, they did not do it properly. But now, after COVID-19 spreads, people are cleaning drains, roads, public places, etc., and are not littering them again and again. All buses and trains are also being sanitized. People are washing hands properly before and after eating or touching something. We all wish COVID-19 leaves the world soon or we find a vaccine for it because it has affected many people worldwide. We humans too should take steps to keep our environment clean because as we polluted our environment, the virus came out. Slogan: Nurture nature for a better future. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.